Welcome to my channel, guys. And my goal is to tell you all about how to get jobs from home, working from the comfort of your own home. If you have been going to work, working in an office for the longest time, then you will need to tune into my channel on a regular basis. I can share with you the information that you will need to get work from home jobs. Working from home, as I said, most of the time you will be working for US-based companies. You will be getting US dollars, so that's good as well. So I want you to like and share, subscribe to my channel. I will bring you valuable information to tell you where to go to get these jobs, right? In the past, I struggled. I struggled a lot with getting a job, but I did not give up. I decided that I wasn't going to go back to a call center. I wasn't going to go back to a physical call center, that is. If I could get into one online, that would be good. And so I searched and I searched. I remember one time waking up at about 4 a.m. and sending about 30 applications, right? And no one responded.
Yikes.
I did that for about a week, right? And then not just that, but I also was sending applications on a daily basis, maybe 5 to 10. But I remember for a specific time I sent, like, I was so frustrated, I sent like 30 to 40 different, applications, and I got no response. So that's where I am coming from, but I did not give up. And so I don't want you to go through that. So I'm going to tell you, I'm going to, give you a shortcut to all of that and just tell you where to go to find these jobs. Now, it's not going to be about online jobs only. It's going to be about how to make money online in general, online jobs, how to make money online, their tech stack, because when you start working from home, there are tools that you will need, specifications and stuff like that. So my channel is going to be very different from what you've used to on YouTube. I'm going to give you interview tips and tricks. I'm going to give you ways to improve yourself so you can get higher paying jobs. You will want to stick around to this channel. All right, so the very first website, what I'm going to do for this very first video is to give you the basics of when it comes to searching for a job online. The very first, these platforms are they're so common, we know of them, but I'm still putting it in my video because not everyone will know that these channels exist. And if I could tell, even one person about this and they can go and get a job, then that's good. So I'm going to start off with I Need a Job Jamaica. And I know that most Jamaicans know about this, but for those persons who do not, then you are welcome.
Thank you.
All right, so I Need a Job Jamaica. It has been around for quite some time. And as you can see, it has over 141,000 followers. Now, I got my very first job, call center job, that is, going on this site back in the day. I got a job for IBEX, where I worked on the Amazon account, which was a horrible experience. But that is for another video. All right, but this is where I got that job, and I'm grateful for the experience. So you type I Need a Job Jamaica, excuse me, in Google, and then it has a lot of jobs on here, not just online work. It has physical labor jobs. It has a lot of different jobs. You just have to scroll down. But one thing I like with this website is that it will show you the most recent jobs, because they're in posts that someone posted them. So you can see when a job is just posted, you can hurry up and apply. All right, so let me see if I can find a job. Not sure if I have. All right, so this is not an online job, but as you can see, it says job vacancy, walk-in interviews, yada, yada, yada for that one there. It has early childhood. As I said, it's not only online jobs for this website. It has a ton of jobs on there, so you'll have to take some time to go on this website, to go on this Facebook group, and to search for a job. And you just scroll on until you find the one that you like. So I'm not going to spend too much time on this because I know that, 75% of Jamaica know about I Need a Job Jamaica. It's a Facebook group. All right. So another popular job site is CaribbeanJobs.com. Now, this is where I got my second job, and I worked for Centerfield Media. I worked at the Kingston side. This is when Centerfield was just maybe in the second year. So it was very early on. And I just stumbled upon it on CaribbeanJobs.com, and I'm glad I did, So anyways, you type in CaribbeanJobs.com on Google, you put in whatever you what type of job you want to get here. Whatever, I'm just going to choose something. Let me see. Let me choose customer service, call center, where, and obviously I am in Jamaica, so I'm going to let me choose Kingston, and then I click on search. Now, this is not just online jobs only. This is job. You can come to this website to get jobs, to get physical, manual labor jobs, online jobs that you have to go to work in an office. As I said, this is where I got my second call center type job, which was working at Centerfield. I'm not going to spend too much time on this website because majority of Jamaicans know about it, but it's really, really good. All these, you can just customize it. You want to go for a broad, like sales representative. That's more of a broad title. And then you just click on search. So you just navigate with the filter buttons on the side. So as you see, when I put all of that information in, when I changed it to sales representative, because that's a broader job title, then it gives me all these companies that I could go ahead and it says show more. So I could click on show more, and it gives me the information, the job description. If I want to apply for this job, then I have to create an account. That's if I do not have an account. If I have an account, I just log in and just apply. And when my advice, based on the strategies that I use to get a job, I don't send application to one job or two jobs. I send application to multiple different jobs at a time. And then when they're finally responding, I get those response. So I have options to choose from. So I'll be having 2-3 interviews to do in like a week or a month period. And so I can choose the best one to choose from, right? All right. And then I'm going to give you, everyone does, a lot of persons don't know about this, but I'm going to share this with you. I've gotten jobs on this as well. This is like a little secret, but, I'm not going to gatekeep because that's not helping nobody. So you'll want to go to Google, and as you can see, type Craiglist Caribbean jobs. It is very important that you type Craiglist Caribbean jobs because Craiglist is so huge. It's a huge website. It's an American-based website. It has a lot of information on it. It has all the states on. If you type just Craiglist, it has all the states on there and all the states that has their cities, and it's just so confusing. So just to narrow it all down, you just want to type Craiglist Caribbean jobs, and then you click on it. And then as you can see, we have these jobs come up. So this one says part-time online English teachers, and it gives you the job description, right? And it see here we offer $11 per hour for the first 30 hours of lessons, And if you're interested, you can read more into that. And then you just click however many jobs are there. Normally, it's about 3 to 5 different jobs on there. This one is Versatile Marketing. I'm very familiar with them. I've never worked for them before, but I always see them. And as you can see, you read the job description. It says compensation $3.50 to $4 per hour, plus commission and overtime. So you can get up to $800 per month. If you want it, you can click on responder here, which is Spanish word for respond. And then you can just show email. So you're going to send them an email, going to click on show email. So you can either copy their email, which is it's an encrypted email. It's not a real email. You have to use it on this. Or you could go to Google, you could copy it and go to your email and just send them an email. All right. The third one on here is earn commission in USD sales. Let me see what this says. It says DHgate. I know this site. This is like Shein. This is like a Shein shopping site. So you could, as I said, click on responder, and then the email will come up. You copy the email, you put it in your inbox, you send an email, you compose an email, you attach your resume, or you just introduce yourself, whatever it is. I have gotten like many jobs on here, so I know that this particular site works. And then you can do more than one job. So a lot of the time they have part-time, so you can be working a full-time and a part-time job, and you can be earning a lot of money. So I'm going to end this video. Stay tuned for more. Please like, subscribe, share so this channel can grow, so I can give you the real secrets, the real sauces to make the dish come together, right? So as I said, just stay tuned and remember not to give up. It's not where you are coming from, and it's not where you are right now, but it's where you are going. So do not give up. Thank you so much, and see you next time.